How to change your registered email on Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your email address on Wise, well, in today's video I'll show you how to change the registered email linked to your Wise account in just a few steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon at the top left side, and after that you just have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as personal details. And now here you just have to tap on email address, and on the next page you just have to tap and enter the new email address that you want to use, and after that Wise may ask you to confirm this change using your password or the verification code sent to your phone, and you just have to check your new email inbox for the confirmation messages from Wise, and after that you just have to click the verification link, and that's it. Once you do all of that things, your Wise account will be updated with a new email address. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.